Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix installer integrity check has failed NSIS error that is happening for the Ubisoft players when they're trying to download it. They end up in this issue and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about, you might be already having the Ubisoft. So if that is the case, right now as you can see I downloaded it from the Google Chrome very recently, which means quite a few days back. If I'm having the trouble with this, so if that is the case, just go over here, search for the Microsoft Store. Now get into the Microsoft Store. Now from here you have to search for the Ubisoft. You can also get the Microsoft version of the Ubisoft. Just get this particular version. Now just go for install. So I'm already having an Ubisoft which I downloaded from the official website, but even though I have to keep it aside, then I need to download the Microsoft Store version of the Ubisoft Connect and download it, then I have to use it. After launching this particular version of the Ubisoft, if I'm having the trouble with using, like if it is completely slow loading up, or if the game is not launching, if it is completely having the issue, then we need to depend on the older version of the Ubisoft. So if I go over here, as you can see, this is actually a site where you can get the older version of the Ubisoft, and I'll be providing this in the video description. And if you go over, you can see there is one thing called 159.2.11504, which is actually the January version of the Ubisoft which rolled out back. So you have to go over here. Now scroll down, there is an option to download it. So where you can download it, so it is actually installed in this particular version. So I have to click on the download. So this particular version of the Ubisoft will be downloading, so which is around 219 MB. So once it's successfully downloaded, I have to sign into this particular older version. You only have to depend on this step if the Microsoft version of the Ubisoft is not working. Then only you have to depend on this particular version. So after downloading this, if you are having the trouble with this Microsoft version, you have to download the older version of the Ubisoft, which I'll be providing in the video description. From here you can download this and install it. Most probably this will be working fine for you guys. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.